Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect DogSpot to Wallet in Telegram. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to install your Telegram application. After that, you need to launch and go to the search icon right here and then look for DogSpot. If you haven't installed it to your Telegram or added it to your Telegram, you have to go to the search bar and then type DogSpot. Then you should see this one right here. Click this one, start, and then click open. So once you tap this open right here, you should see this, the amount of dogs that you have. Below, you can see here connect wallet. You can see here dogs community. Also the home, letterboard, and then friends. So in order for you to connect your dogs to your Telegram wallet, just click this connect wallet right here. And once you tap that, you can see your options below, such as Keeper, My Ton Wallet, Ton Hawk, and other options. But of course, let's just focus on Open Wallet and Telegram since you wanted to connect your dogs to your Telegram wallet. So all you have to do is to click this one. And you should see this one. Dogs community wants to connect to Ton Space. You must have your Ton Space too. Okay, so here's the dogs icon and also your profile. So this app will be able to view your Ton address, balance, and activity. This app won't be able to move funds without permission. So all you have to do is to click this connect wallet. And that's it. This message or notification will pop up. Dog Community now connected to Ton Space. And you can now go back to Dog Community as easy as that. This is how you simply connect DogSpot to Wallet in Telegram. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.